Act 4, Scene 1. Father Lawrence's medicine. Father Lawrence's house. Paris and Father Lawrence are talking.
What? On Thursday? That's in 2 days. This is very sudden.
I know. I'm very excited. I've loved Juliet for a long time, and soon we'll be married.
But you don't know her very well. You must wait, Paris. Thursday is too soon.
But her father has already decided. I'm very happy. Entering.
Good morning, Paris.
Hello, Juliet, my love. Ha ha ha. Soon you'll be my wife.
Perhaps I've come to talk to the priest.
Are you going to tell him how much you love me?
I've come to talk to him alone.
Can you leave us, please, Paris?
Of course, Father. Goodbye, my love. He kisses Juliet. We'll be married soon. He leaves.
What shall I do?
Crying.
I want to die.
You must marry Paris. What else can you do?
Father, I'll never marry Paris. Don't you understand? I love Romeo. He's my husband. Look, I have a knife.
She pulls out a knife.
If you tell me to marry Paris, I'll kill myself.
Stop! Put down the knife. Listen, Juliet, I've just thought of something.
Father Lawrence goes to a cupboard and takes out a bottle.
What's
that? Is it poison? Will it kill me?
No, Juliet, not poison, but it's a very, very strong medicine. Anyone who drinks it will sleep for 2 days.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to drink this medicine the night before your wedding. You will sleep very, very deeply, and it won't be possible to wake you up. You will be cold and still. Everyone will think that you are dead.
What'll happen then?
They'll put your body in your family tomb, next to your cousin Tybalt. Later, you'll wake up.
Juliet screams.
Don't worry. I'll send a message to Romeo in Mantua and tell him to come back to Verona when it is dark. I'll tell him to go to the tomb and open it at night. Then the two of you can run away together to Mantua. Will you do it? It's very dangerous, but if you don't do this, you'll have to marry Paris.
Yes, Father, I'll do it. I'll do anything to be with Romeo. Thank you, Father.
Juliet takes the bottle and leaves.
Father John! Father John!
Father John enters. Father Lawrence quickly writes a message and gives it to him.
Take this message to Romeo in Mantua. It is very, very important.